To ensure safety, scaffolds will need to be inspected routinely. Inspections are sorted into inspection templates. Inspection templates can be created for inspections and applied to different scaffolds. For example, you can create templates for a specific scaffold, such as one that has wooden planks, or create a template for a wide range of scaffolds, such as those undergoing routine inspections after each shift. You can even create inspection templates for specific situations, such as an incoming storm or other weather events. If we click on Inspection Templates, we can see a list of templates. These can be assigned to a scaffold and selected when performing an inspection. Click Add to create a new template. Provide a name for the inspection template. Put a check in this checkbox if you want to apply this inspection to any new scaffold. You can set the maximum distance an inspector can be from the scaffold, else a warning icon appears. You can enter the distance using the arrows, or you can enter a figure into the box. You can also specify the units. Select between meters and feet. You can then specify the frequency. Select to not automatically change status for inspection. This means you will manually have to change the scaffold status to awaiting inspection. You can either specify to change status every specific number of days at a specific time. For example, we can set the template so the assigned scaffold changes status every 3 days at 9 a.m. Or you can specify to change the status to awaiting inspection after each shift. Shift times can be modified by clicking this button here. We can see that shift times are at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m. We can then select the questions we want to include on a template. Select each checkbox of the relevant question to include it. Click OK, and the template will be created. What we will do now is assign the inspection template we created to a scaffold. Go to the scaffold screen and open the scaffold's details. Go to Inspection Templates tab, click Edit, and click Select Inspection Templates. Click the checkbox of the required inspection template. We can see that the next inspection date is at 6 p.m., which is the same as the shift times we saw earlier. When the scaffold changes status, we can inspect it. Click the scaffold and select Awaiting Inspection. Then select the inspection template from the drop-down. This will launch the inspection form. Select whether the inspection passed or failed. Provide a comment. This is mandatory if the inspection failed. And then add the signature. And answer the inspection questions which you added when creating the template. Click OK and the inspection will be complete. Note that you can manually start an inspection. Select on the scaffold and click Standing. Select Needs Inspection and then check the checkbox of the required inspection template. Click OK and perform the inspection as normal.